Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome to yet another video. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to start an online business with no money, zero investment, and just your current knowledge or your willingness to go out there and be resourceful. So if this is your first time to the channel, make sure that you give me a like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, because right now I'm uploading videos on a daily basis teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. If you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you so much for your loyalty. And with that said, let's go ahead and dive into the content. As you can see here, I'm actually in the basement because this is the only place in the whole entire house where it's actually quiet right now. So you're probably wondering, why is this guy in his basement right now? As you can see, I got all the boxes right here. But nonetheless, sort of ignore that and let's go ahead and let's get involved into the content right now. So how can you start a business with no money? What you guys may not realize is you've gone through countless videos up to this point. I mean, if you do any research on YouTube, there's a plethora of information. You could take what you're learning from this channel and create your own channel and talk about a lot of the same things that I'm talking about, especially if you've embodied some of this information. Yeah, you're going to need to learn some knowledge. You're going to need to learn a little bit about how to get views to your videos, how to optimize your videos, how to rank your videos. But here's the thing, all that stuff is out there for free. You could also go and you could do freelancing. You can go to Fiverr.com, you can go to Upwork, you can learn a new skill set, you can learn graphic design. You can learn, like I said, search engine optimization. You can learn a new language. You can translate for people. I mean, there's not a lack of jobs or careers out there. There's a lack of creativity. There's a lack of confidence. There's a lack of courage. There's a lack of willingness to go out there and get things done. So, you know, it boggles my mind when people tell me, well, I'm trying to grow my business, but I just don't have the money to do so. After making a multiple six figures, almost seven figures up to this point in my online business, using 100% free advertising methods, that's really not something that I buy. Because what people are lacking aren't resources, it's resourcefulness, it's confidence, it's the inside job, it's the mental game because of judgment. You know, they're afraid of being judged because they feel like they're not good enough. They think it's too easy or it sounds too easy, and we tend to make things more complex than they are. You know, depending on what our beliefs are about money. If we grew up in a household where our parents worked really hard for very little, we're going to have the belief that money is very difficult to come by. So if you want to change your outsides, you first got to start changing your insides. If you want to change your bank account, you want to change your relationships, everything starts on the inside. People are looking to change the inside of their house, so to speak, metaphorically speaking, by painting the outside of the house. You can't change the kitchen by painting the outside of the house. And that's what a lot of us are doing when it comes to wealth generation. You've got to understand that we've got a multitude of habits that we've developed over time. We've got habits that don't serve us based off of beliefs that our parents had and their parents had. Whether it's you got to go to college, you got to pay $200,000 to get a good education, and that degree is what's going to make you money. In this day and age, that couldn't be further from the truth. With the information that we have on the internet, we could literally go to a YouTube video right now, learn a new skill set, and go out there and implement and create content, produce, whether you got to DM 100 people a day on Instagram, or whether you got to put out a video a day and slowly learn how to edit videos, slowly learn how to become a better communicator, slowly learn how to rank your content. I just don't buy into this fact that people, the so-called fact that people say, hey, I can't get started in a business because I have no money and you need money to get started. You don't. You don't. I mean, all the information is out there. So what is it that you're waiting for? Because I know this isn't your first rodeo. This isn't your first video or how-to video on how to do something. That's why I'm not showing you guys my computer screen right now. because there's plenty of that information out there. And if you're watching this video, chances are you're looking for the secret. You're looking for the easy way out. Well, let me save you some time. There's not an easy way out, but there's a simple way. Making money online is not easy, but making money online is very, very simple. Build an audience around one specific niche, around one specific topic, and put out content every single day. That's just one strategy. What you can also do is you can, bring buyers and sellers together in any niche, right? You can learn so many different things that don't require you to have any investment whatsoever, okay? And me being somebody that built a business with nothing because I was $20,000 in debt, I was spending money faster than I was making it. When I came across this internet land, this internet world, I was exposed to a lot of paid advertising platforms, and hey, you got to advertise through paid advertising. Then I discovered YouTube, and I realized, wow, I don't need any money to get started. Most people have a smartphone, right? Most people have a voice. Most people have some lessons and some knowledge that they've learned up to this point. So how do you monetize that? You figure it out. You be resourceful. You start your channel tonight. You start uploading videos tomorrow, and you make some mistakes. Maybe you don't make any money for the first few months. Maybe the first few months, the first few weeks is just all about putting up content. It's all about taking massive action. It's all about creating a new habit. And then after you create those habits, you realize you're shooting videos, but you're not getting any views. Then you figure a little bit more about how to rank those videos, how to get more views to those videos. And you slowly work into that, because so many people are looking for that perfect formula and that perfect way to execute that they never get started because they overanalyze everything. They achieve what I like to call analysis paralysis. And the only way to change that is to forget about perfection. Right? I've said this so many times. Passion on fire is better than knowledge on ice. When I got out of the way of myself and I stopped trying to perfect everything and trying to be perfect because I cared so much about what everybody else thought and accepted failure as a path and prerequisite to success, my life changed right before my eyes. I started being okay with the haters. I started being okay with trying everything under the sun, from doing Kindle publishing to doing retail arbitrage on eBay to doing some Amazon affiliate stuff to buying and flipping domains to setting up automated websites and setting up niche sites and ranking them in Google, and then losing all my rankings, then finally discovering YouTube and understanding how the game of marketing is played. That didn't cost me any money. What it cost me was some time. What it cost me was some courage. That's all. So if you have a will to succeed, if you have a desire, you have everything in your mind to make things happen. You are a creative being that was given gifts inside of this physical body that we have. And it's up to you to be resourceful. It's up to you to ask yourself, how can I, instead of I can't? I don't have the money. I can't start a business. That's not the way you think. You say, how can I start a business? How can I do it for free? What are my options? Let me do some research. Let me gather this information. That alone is a niche in helping people, like I'm doing right now, get started in online business. This is costing me zero money to make this video. Doing this on a smartphone that you already have, zero money. Now I'm doing this on a little bit of a higher end camera, but most of my videos on my channel are with my smartphone or just sharing my screen on my computer. Right? If you don't have a computer, you don't have access to any of this stuff, it's thinking outside the box. It's asking friends and family for donation, right? It's asking people in your neighborhood, people that you have acquaintance with, that you know. A lot of these people might say no, but you might have that one person that believes in you. It's being willing to go mow lawns. It's being willing to let your ego go and maybe work at McDonald's. There's plenty of opportunities out there, but it's you being willing to eat dirt for a while. Clouds and dirt, as Gary Vee says. You got to be willing to eat dirt for a while and do things that you normally wouldn't do and let the ego go. Maybe eat ramen noodles for a while so you can save some money, so you can invest in your business, so you can get the right equipment, but you can still get started today. You can still get information. You can go to a freaking bookstore, Barnes & Noble. You can go to the library, pull a book off the shelf, and learn a new skill set for free and go out there and start implementing. I'm trying to get you guys to kind of get your creative juices flowing, get your mind flowing, because that's the only thing that we're lacking is creativity, okay? So with that said, I hope you got value from this video. If you did, let me know by liking this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. You know, I'm always uploading videos just to help you build a life and business that you love, where there's balance, where there's happiness, where there's fulfillment, where there's you living your perfect day every single day. So if you got value from this video, let me know by liking, commenting, subscribing. And if you want to learn how to build an affiliate marketing business from complete scratch, maybe that's one of the business models you're looking to learn. It's all about being able to sell other people's products and earn a commission off of other people's expertise and efforts. All you need to do is be the middleman and bring the people to these products. And a lot of these products are digital. You could sell digital products and there's no startup cost in selling these digital products. It's the education that you're paying for. It's the organized education. A lot of the information to learn affiliate marketing is out there for free, but what you're paying for is the organization of it, because a lot of this information is scattered, and it leads you into other information and other niches and other, business plans and other business opportunities. And so that's where a lot of people get hung up. So I'd love to help you stay on track. If you want to learn affiliate marketing, click the link below in the description, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.